I stared at the email on my computer screen. My hands were shaking. My boss wanted to see me in 5 minutes. He wanted me to bring my Spanish skills. But I don't speak Spanish. I lied on my job application. I said I was fluent. Now I was going to get fired. My name is Lila. I'm 23 years old. 3 months ago, I got my dream job at Miller Marketing Company, but I got it by lying. I needed this job badly. My rent was due. I had no money for food. When I saw the job posting, it said Spanish speaking required. I knew I was perfect for everything else. I just couldn't speak Spanish. So I lied. I wrote fluent in Spanish on my application. I thought I could learn it quickly. I thought no one would notice. For 3 months, I was lucky. Nobody asked me to speak Spanish. I worked hard on other projects. I stayed late every night. My boss, Mr. Bennett, seemed happy with me. But deep down, I was always scared. Every morning, I woke up with fear in my stomach. What if today was the day? What if someone found out? I bought Spanish books. I downloaded apps. I watched Spanish videos on my phone. But learning a language is hard. I could say hello and thank you. That was it. And now Mr. Bennett wanted to see me. The email said, "Lila, please come to my office at 2 p.m. Bring your Spanish skills. We have a new client from Mexico." I looked at the clock. It was 1:58 p.m. I walked slowly to Mr. Bennett's office. My legs felt like water. My heart was beating so fast I thought everyone could hear it. I knocked on the door.
"Come in,"
Mr. Bennett said. I opened the door. Mr. Bennett was sitting at his desk. Next to him was a man in a nice suit. The man had dark hair and kind eyes.
"Lila,
Mr. Bennett said.
this is Mr. Rodriguez from Mexico City. He wants to discuss our new project. I need you to translate everything we say."
My face got hot. I felt sick. This was it. This was the end of my job.
"Hello,"
Mr. Rodriguez said, in English with a thick accent.
"Nice to meet you."
I opened my mouth. No words came out. I tried to think of Spanish words. My mind was blank.
Lila,
Mr. Bennett looked confused.
can you please tell Mr. Rodriguez about our marketing plan in Spanish?
I stood there like a statue. I couldn't move. I couldn't speak. Mr. Rodriguez looked at me with worried eyes. Just then, someone knocked on the door. It was Mason, the new intern. He was only 19 years old. He had been working here for 1 week.
"Sorry to interrupt,"
Mason said.
"but Lila, there's an urgent call for you. Something about the website project. The client is very angry. You need to fix the website code right now."
Can it wait?
Mr. Bennett asked.
"No, sir.
Mason said.
It's an emergency."
Go ahead, Lila.
Mr. Bennett said.
Fix the website first, then come back to translate.
I followed Mason out of the office. My legs were shaking. We walked to the hallway where no one could hear us.
"There's no phone call.
Mason whispered.
I made that up because I could see you were in trouble. You don't speak Spanish, do you?"
My face turned red. I asked how he knew. Mason said he lied too. He didn't know how to code websites. He put it on his resume, but it wasn't true. He'd been scared someone would find out. I couldn't believe it. Mason had lied, just like me. Mason explained that he actually did speak Spanish. His mom was from Colombia. He grew up speaking it at home. But he needed help with the website code. He asked if I actually knew how to do it. I nodded. I was good with computers. I learned coding in college. That part wasn't a lie. Mason suggested we help each other. When they needed Spanish, he would handle it. When they needed coding, I would handle it. We would cover for each other. I felt hope for the first time all day. We both lied to get jobs we really needed. We had to help each other. We shook hands. It felt like making a promise. Mason went back to Mr. Bennett's office. I went to my desk and started working on the website code. My hands weren't shaking anymore. 20 minutes later, Mason came back, smiling. Mr. Rodriguez was very happy. Mr. Bennett thought I was amazing because I sent such a helpful intern. From that day on, Mason and I became a team. When clients needed Spanish translation, Mason handled it. When projects needed coding, I handled it. Nobody ever suspected anything. Mr. Bennett thought we were both excellent workers. He praised our teamwork all the time. Mason and I became real friends. We started helping each other learn our missing skills. I taught him coding after work. He taught me Spanish during lunch breaks. Slowly, we were getting better. I could understand simple Spanish conversations now. Mason could write basic website code. We were turning our lies into truth. But sometimes I wonder if we're playing a dangerous game. Every morning when I wake up, I still feel that fear in my stomach. What if today is the day someone finds out? What do you think will happen next? Will Leela and Mason keep working like this? Or will someone find out their secret? What would you do if you were in their place? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English stories. Lesson of the day. Do. It means something must be done or paid by a certain time. Example from the story. I needed this job badly. My rent was due. More examples. The assignment is due tomorrow. The baby is due in August. Your bill is due next week.